Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back on Windows Fixer YouTube channel where we solve your Windows problem and enhance your PC experience. In today's tutorial we are diving into a topic that a lot of you have been requesting: how to boost and enhance your audio on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Whether you are looking to get better audio for gaming, watching movies or just listening to music, I have got you covered with some of the best tools and tips out there. We will be exploring 3 effective methods to enhance your audio experience. Number 1, using the built-in enhancement option that come with your audio drivers. Number 2, boosting audio with VLC Media Player. Number 3, FXSound for advanced audio enhancement. So if you are ready to take your audio to the next level, let's get started. Using built-in enhancement option. Our first method involves using the built-in enhancement options that come with your audio drivers. Here how you can do it. Now first you need to click on the search icon and then search for control panel and then open it. Now hardware and sound and then sound. Now in the playback devices where probably your audio output devices are added. Once you are here in the playback devices, now choose the default device that you are using. Go right click on it, go into the properties and then enhancement. Now uncheck disable all enhancement and check the boost, bass boost and loudness equalizations and then hit apply and OK. In my case I don't use these settings. This method can significantly improve your audio quality with just a few simple tweaks. Now method 2, boosting audio with VLC Media Player. Next up we have VLC Media Player, which is not just a powerful media player but also a great tool for boosting audio. Follow these steps. What you need to do here: search for VLC first and open it. You can download it if you don't have. I will provide the link in the description so it will be easier for you. Now click on the tools, preference and then go into the audio. Now make sure enable the audio and then click show all settings. Now find the audio and then find here the filters. Now once you are here, select the filters and then you need to find here the 2 options. Number 1, volume normalizer and number 2, equalizer with 10 bands and then click on save. Now click on the equalizer options and you will see here the audio. Just enable it. You can increase the volume from here. Now basically you can increase your volume from here, and if you want to set a specific preset you can just choose from here and then click on save. VLC can boost the volume up to 200%, make it an excellent choice for watching videos with low sound levels. Method number 3, FXSound for advanced audio enhancement. Finally, let's look at FXSound, a powerful tool for advanced audio enhancement. It works great for gaming, videos and general audio purposes. Here's how to use it. First, you need to download and install FXSound from their official website. I will give the link in the description so you can easily download it from there. Once you have downloaded this, open the software and you will see the various presets for different types of audio including music, movies and gaming. Select the preset that match your current activity or customize the sound to your liking. FXSound will enhance your audio quality, providing a richer and more immersive experience. FXSound is especially effective for gaming, helping you hear every detail and get the edge in competitive play. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope these methods help you get the best sound experience on your PC. If you have any question or run into any issue, drop a comment below. We read all your comments and respond as soon as possible to help solve your problems. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials, and share it with anyone who might benefit from better sound quality. Your feedback is invaluable, so let me know what you think and what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.